good creators? GadInsider here with huge meta news. A new copyright check tool for Reels is here to keep your content safe. Plus, big AI moves from Meta. Let's dive in. Tired of copyright strikes messing with your Reels? Meta's new tool scans your videos before they go live, saving your engagement and revenue. Want to know how it works? Keep watching. On July 7, 2025, Meta dropped a game-changing update for Facebook Reels creators. Now you can check for copyright violations right in the Reels creation flow. No more waiting for a strike after posting. This tool, once exclusive to Meta's business suite, scans your video for copyrighted material before it goes live. You can turn it on or off, but if enabled, it will flag issues and give you up to an hour to edit before publishing. This is huge for creators relying on Reels for engagement or income. It has a safety net, ensuring your content doesn't get muted or taken down. Posts on X are buzzing, with creators calling it a must-have for stress-free posting. Meta's also tying this to their new AI push, launching Meta Superintelligence Labs, led by Chief AI Officer Alexander Wang. They're doubling down on AI projects like Meta AI, image-to-video ad tools, and smart glasses to boost future revenue. Why is this a big deal? Meta's copyright tool makes Reels creation safer and smoother, protecting your hard work. Plus, their AI division signals next-level tech for creators. Think smarter tools and cooler features. Whether you're a TikTok rival or a small creator, this update's got your back. Ready to try Meta's copyright tool? Drop a comment. How will it help your Reels? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.